So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make satisfying noises with stuff you can find inside your own house. Now, satisfying videos have been all the rage these days. I know, kids and their satisfying noises. But I'm here to show you, the common household person, how to make satisfying noises in your house with everyday items. So, without further ado, let's get on with this satisfying noise compilation. So as you see here, oh, just did that. Okay. As you see here, we have Victorian something sugar, big words we don't read. So I thought, oh honey, ooh! If you have any jar with like a plastic type lid, I think it's plastic type lid on it, you can make this noise. You can just don't smell the contents of the jar. After you do that, you can take a little teacup. Now I got this when I went to Italy, but if you just put it on top, because this has a little something on the bottom to keep it from sliding. If you just take this and just go around like that. You can also probably just do like a little. This is kind of like ASMR, but I'm going to talk normal and just show you guys how to make noises. So now you can also have a can. We love a can. This is the can we use to scare my dog, because there's coins in here that he hates. It's really more like if you put your hand over and you just... It's like a little like, ooh, like a rain moment. But if you don't want the coins, you can just... Oh. Now. Tell me this isn't satisfying. Anything glass related just always sounds. And it's wherever you hit it. Ooh. Like, come on. Ooh. When you want to now, if you have some light cream on first, that. This is satisfying, this entire thing. But if you slowly go back and yes. Also, I found Pam. Just a little like spritz of anything. It's just hi. Those are just a few household items that are satisfying. Shout out for this week goes to the J&L family. They're a really cute family that they do like cooking stuff. They do pranks on each other. They all around. It's very lighthearted. It's very fun. It's really cute, and it's something that if you guys haven't already, definitely should go check it out. They currently have 285 subscribers, and they post on the reg daily. So make sure to go check them out. Link will be below. And while you're there, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like the video, and don't forget to comment down below how you feel on satisfying noises, and if you made your own, make sure to comment them down below. And then that's really it for this week's video. So I will see you guys next week for another video. Can you get off me? Alright, bye guys. Wow.